Okay, guys, I think we have solved our issue and we're back here again. So, yes, welcome everyone. A very good evening. And hello, Hemant. Hi, Vinod, Mamta. Just drop in a hi, hello, everyone in the chat so that I know you are here. Come on, guys, let me know. If
Okay,
you're
guys, I think we have.
Yes, please let me know if you're here or not. Please drop a hi in the chat section. Hello, Shivam. Hi, Megha. Hi, Shishir. Avesh. Hello. Hi, Nikita. Hello, Vinod. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is it good afternoon where you are? Because it's evening here. Abdi Hakim. Osman. Where are you from? You're saying good afternoon. We have good evening here. Hello, Ravi. Hi, Rahul, Aishwarya, Nikita, Tushar. Hi, Chandrasekhar. Hello, Dolly. Hi, Nitish. Hello, Kushi. Affan. Hi. Hello, Chetan. Hi, Shivam. Hello, Alina. So, which all essentials are you from? Which all essentials have you just attended? 3 days you must have attended, right? So, guys, this is 3 days program that you've attended, essentials program. So, today is day 4. Okay, today is the last day of your essentials batch. So, please let me know which essentials you all are from. Which essentials have you all attended? 3 days, all of you must have attended some or the other batch with us. So please let me know which batch you are all, you all have attended. Hi Shivam, hello, good evening. Okay, so Ankur is from web development, wonderful. Others, baby football, I think you're from from the JavaScript class. It's the batch is done. 3 days if you've attended, then the batch is done. Today is the last day of that batch. Okay, hello Coder Brain, hello Deepak, hi. Hello Akash, he's from AWS, okay. Master data structures with C++, okay, and will responsive website, 2 batches, okay. Okay, JavaScript, all right, web development. I'm so sorry, Karthi, that you did not fill yesterday's attendance form. You should have done that immediately when you got the link. Okay, Masters of Data Structures in C++, wonderful. JavaScript web development. Okay, Karthik says he's done all the batches. Wonderful, wonderful. Hi, Shishir. Okay, Rahul has also done data structures. Amazing, amazing. And which all locations are you all joining from? Which all locations are you all joining from? I will tell you, I am joining from Nagpur in Maharashtra. Okay, so I'm joining in from Nagpur in Maharashtra. Where all are you joining from? No, Abdi Hakim, this is the last day's session. This is day 4. Okay. Okay. There are people, there are responses coming in. Okay. Patna, Mumbai, Mangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Faridabad, Pune, Haryana, Kakinada. Okay. Ujjain, Jabalpur, Delhi, Aurangabad, Vizag, Bangalore, Sangli, Gwalior, Aurangabad, Gujarat. Chetan is also from Nagpur. Amazing. Hi, Chetan. Okay. Uh, okay. Gujarat, Pakistan. Wonderful. Haryana, Devas. Nice. Dharmik is also from Nagpur. Amazing. Haryana, Navi Mumbai. I used to stay there. Okay. Aurangabad, Andhra Pradesh, Pune, Hargeisa. All right. That's from Somaliland. Uh, Abdul Kaher Mukhtar is from Nigeria. Welcome. Hi Khadija. She's joining in from Pakistan. Vizag, Uttarakhand. Baby football, whoever you are, JavaScript batch is coming very soon. So you need to just wait, follow all of our social media channels, and you will get to know when the new batch is coming in. It will come very soon. We keep on having JavaScript batches. Okay. So Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Karthik, I think you have attended a previous session also, right? Okay, Meenal is from Avravati, Gujarat. Okay. Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu. Uh-huh. Nice, nice, nice. So Sonipat, Haryana. Right. Amazing. So yes, guys. So I want to clear out a few things first, okay? Before we, begin the session, I want to clear out a few things first. So regarding the certificates, okay, regarding the certificates of your batches. Now, before the launch, also somebody must have told you. If not, then I'm telling you right now, okay? But I'm sure somebody must have told you that there are two kinds of certificates. Okay, there are two kinds of certificates. One is the certificate of participation, and one is the certificate of completion. Now, this certificate of participation you get when you fill in attendance of all the days that you're attending, including today's day. Okay, so while filling attendance, you will have to select career session. Okay, you will have to select the career session. All right. If you fill in all the attendance of all the days, you are eligible to get the certificate of participation, which you will be able to download once the eligibility list is out. Okay, I'm going to come to that later. Then next is the certificate of completion. Now in certificate of completion, you to be eligible to get that, you will have to complete all of your assignments, submit all of your assignments correctly in time, and also submit your attendance. Okay, and then you will be eligible to download that, and also you will get a physical copy, a free physical copy of a certificate of completion. Only participation we don't give the physical copy. Okay, now how do we know that we are eligible? So after this session ends, after a few days, once once our team has evaluated everything, gone through all of your attendance and all of your assignments, checked them and everything, then you will receive an email regarding a virtual convocation. Okay, regarding a virtual convocation that will happen. During that virtual convocation, here on YouTube only it will happen. During that virtual convocation, the eligibility list is sent out. Okay, so you all will, those of you who are eligible and for whichever certificate you are eligible, you will receive an email in real time during that virtual convocation. So then and there you will be able to know if you are eligible or not. Okay, and after some days, once we start shipping, you will be notified that your certificate will be shipped to you, so you will get your hard copy also. Okay, soft copy can be downloaded immediately, but the hard copy will be shipped to you later. Okay, and you will be notified of that. Now I have cleared the issues related to certificates here. Okay, now is there anything apart from this? Okay, I am not a technical person. I will again tell you. So if you have to ask me any technical academic doubts, I'm sorry, but I am not the right person here to answer. You can obviously speak to the support team. You can email your queries if you have to support at the rate letsupgrade.in. Okay, I am a completely non-technical trainer, so sorry for that. So if you have to ask me about any technologies or any scope, so for that technologies or what specific kind of training or anything that you want, then I'm really sorry, but I will not be the correct person. Okay. What I can help you with is your resume, your applications, your interviews, your communication, your soft skills, all of that, your interview preparation, your placement guidance, your career development guidance, your personality development guidance, all of that I am the correct person to do. So any questions related to that, you can definitely ask me. Okay. Let me come back to the chat. There are a few people who have answered. Okay, Mohit is joining in from the USA. Wonderful. Welcome, Mohit. We have somebody. Mohit, you're joining from New Mexico and USA also. Both. How is that possible? Okay. Wonderful. So yes, Karthik, I remember you attended previous sessions also. Khadija, for filling attendance, see, Isha is sending out the links to the attendance. Okay. So please follow that link and fill out the attendance. Okay. Yogesh, this is a career and placement guidance session. So this is day 4 and the last day of your essentials program, whichever program you're attending. So you must have completed 3 days of your essentials. Today is the 4th day. Okay. Okay. Yes, I will come to all of your queries. So Yash, you have to go to the link that is given, okay? And I have explained the entire process of the certificate already. Yes. ललित यस प्लेसमेंट गाइडेंस बताऊंगी बट प्लेसमेंट गाइडेंस में एग्जैक्टली क्या प्लेसमेंट गाइडेंस बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है तो एग्जैक्टली क्या जानना चाहते हो you ask me that and I will be happy to answer all of the questions. Okay. Now, link to attendance has already been given, posted a lot of times in the chat. Okay. So again, it has been posted. All right. So, Abidi Hakim, you can follow the link and fill out your attendance for today. Okay. All right. So, I want now all of you are here. Okay. You must be here for some or the other reason that you must have joined this career and placement guidance session for some or the other reason. So I want you all, okay, I've already cleared anything non-technical, please ask, okay, anything non-technical, please ask, okay. So if you want to know anything about the topics that I mentioned, about interviews, about your resume, about how interview questions, about how to prepare for your communication skills, your soft skills, your personality, okay, what to do, anything and everything related to this, your placements or placement process, what is, what are companies looking for, anything and everything. So if you want any of these questions you want to know, please shoot them, okay, in the chat and only once. Okay, do not spam the chat with the same question again and again. If you post it once, I will be able to read it. If you spam the chat, then I'm really sorry, I will have to ignore it, because spamming the chat, repeating the same question again and again, will make me miss out somebody else's genuine question. Okay, so if you are spamming the chat, I will definitely ignore your question. You have a genuine question, please ask it once. I promise I will read it out and I will solve it to the best of my abilities. Okay, so please shoot your questions in the chat section and I am here to answer this. Okay, I will answer anything and everything that I can. All right, so please go ahead and ask any doubts you have related to interviews, related to your resumes, related to interview questions, what kind of answers to give. Okay, your personality development, your development of your communication skills, etc., etc. Okay, please go ahead. Okay, so I will start. Yes, thank you. The questions are coming in. Wonderful. So I will repeat. Please post your question only once. Okay, and I will read it. I promise I will read it and I will answer your question. Do not spam the chat. Okay. If I have not answered your question is because I have not reached your question. Okay. But I will reach it. Okay. Do not spam again. Okay. Mohit, you're asking about graphic design. I'm really sorry, my dear. The graphic design looks like it really has a lot of scope ahead. Okay, it really needs a creative mind, and you need amazing, crazy skills to be really successful at it. So if you have interest in it, you can go ahead. But what sort of scope and anything, the technicalities, I really don't know what to say about it. So please put in a question on the support and we will complete it to the best of our abilities. Okay. Okay. Yogesh, if you have done any of our essentials program last week, then this is the fourth day of that class. Okay, I've already answered it. Lalit, yeah, benefits of certificate. Obviously, that it shows that you have completed your program with Let's Upgrade and that you know what the topic is. So they at least know that you have done the basics of whatever topic you have done, be it JavaScript, be it data structures, okay, be it Python. So they know that you know the basics of it, or building a responsive website or whatever. So that you have already completed your basics and that you need to be trained further, so that company may, if they are training their students or they are training their employees, then they can train you further ahead. So you will be given a preference over the others, right? uh, Give me a moment. Okay, how can I fill attendance to my web development and how may I get the certificate? So attendance link will already be given, Yash. If you have done web development in the last batch, then yes, the last week, then you may fill out the attendance today. And if you fill out the attendance to every day, then you will be eligible to get a certificate. Okay. Um, Lalit, again, what do you want to know about placement guidance? Please let me know. You have like said this around 4 times till now. What specifically do you want? Please let me know. Uh, Abdul Kaher, you might have been given GitHub links to submit your assignments. Okay, so please submit your assignment there. I don't know till what time it is valid, so please check that. Shishir, you don't have an assignment today. Okay, I don't give assignments. Okay, and okay. Next, Lalit, after getting the certificate, you will have to, my dear, search for jobs wherever you want to apply. You will have to search there, whichever profile you want to apply. You may have to search there. Let's Upgrade is also now coming up with a placement portal very soon, so we also will be able to help you with your placements. We are coming up with our own in-house portal very soon. Okay, and so you can apply through that also. We will let you know once we are up and running with it. So just hold on. Kushi, what is the deadline for assignment submission? You must have been told already in the last class, so please visit that and please check. Okay. uh, no, Hemant, no assignment to do today. Okay. Yash, I don't understand your question about web development zero to hero for certificate. I don't get your question. Lalit, for everybody, the procedure is different for placements. Okay, it is different for institutes, it's different for companies, it's different from college to college. Okay, so your profile is first taken. You may have to sit for an exam. If you clear the exam, if you score the required minimum, score, then your profile will be created. Whatever companies then will come to the college, they will be, you will may be asked to sit. They may also check your profile. If they find you suitable, then they will ask you to sit for the interview. Interview will happen, and then if you get the job, you get the job. That's how the placement system works usually in colleges. Okay. Ehsan, if this is your first attempt, so we actually have 3-day programs, basics programs, which are called essentials program, which run. So this is the fourth day. We have a career and placement guidance session. So this is the last day of the batch. If you want to do a new batch, you can visit our website letsupgrade.in, and you can check which are the upcoming programs and you can sign up for those. Okay. All of your answers will be given in your community groups. Please check those. All of those answers are given for assignment submission. Your link, your deadline, everything is there. Okay. Khadija, this is a totally placement related or your career development related class. Okay, today's class. Ustad ji, to build a network within an organization, you need to be a very outgoing person, or at least pretend to be an outgoing person. You need to be able to strike conversations and hold conversations easily with people. Okay, so you need to be good at small talk. You need to be, knowing a lot of topics, simple topics to talk about with people, explore their interests, be adjusting with them. Okay, once you start building relations with a small number of people, automatically you will expand your network because they may introduce you to their friends, their network also. So that is how a network keeps expanding. Okay, so first you speak to one person, then you come out speak to the other person, then they may introduce you to their friends also, they may introduce you to their friends also. That's how a friends group also increases, right? So that is how you build a network in your workplace. You really have to be very accommodating, warm, welcoming. Your body language, the tone with which you're talking, all of this should be very warm, very welcoming, affectionate, so that people also want to come and talk to you. Okay. So if you have a closed body language all the time, then people will not feel like, coming and talking to you. So you need to change your body language to be welcoming, to be warm. You need to give out that vibe that it's okay for people to come to talk to you. Once you start talking, once you start conversations, only then you can build a network in the workplace. Okay. Shishir has asked, I'm making a portfolio. What all should I mention in it? It would be great to know from you. So, Shishir, I don't know for which profile you are creating the portfolio. So, if you could just mention it again in the chat, whenever I read it later, I will tell you what sort of things to put. So, which profile are you making a portfolio for? I should, know that first. It's not common for everyone. So, I need to know the specifics of which profile, which industry, and all of that. Okay. Saish is asking when are the remaining responsive web development classes completed? How many classes did you attend? If you have attended 3 classes, then the batch is over. This is the last batch. This is the last class. Okay. We have 3-day essentials. Saish. Shivanshu, yes, communication skills. You must develop your communication skills very, very well. Practice speaking to people in English. Start watching movies, okay, English movies, English web series with subtitles, so that when you don't understand, you can pause, go back, see in what situation, what was spoken, what was the tone that was used. Try replicating it in your real life also. Read more and more, but read loudly, so that your mouth, the muscles of your tongue, your mouth, and your brain also, they are in the habit of listening and speaking to the words. Okay, your tongue should turn in the way the English words are spoken. All right, so start practicing with good friends, record yourself. This is how you develop your communication skills, right? Okay. uh, I don't get this web development 0 to hero question of Yash and Sesh. Can you please, guys, be specific? This is very vague. Mohit, I have answered the question about communication skills. I will answer about how you can overcome your anxiety. Yes. So, more and more practice. Basically, why do we get anxious is because we don't have confidence. Okay. Why don't we have that confidence? Because we don't know what we are doing. We don't have enough practice about what we are doing. So, honestly, when we don't know, then we get nervous, right? So, practice so that first of all your confidence increases. Okay. And think in this way: why to get nervous, why to get anxious? What is the worst thing that is going to happen? That you will lose that opportunity, right? But there will be other opportunities out there again, right? So they are not going to shoot you. This is what I always say. What are they going to do? They are not going to shoot you, right? They are not going to kidnap you. You will just be rejected. What is worse? Is there anything worse that will happen? No, there may be another opportunity. Learn from whatever you have, please ask them what went wrong. I would like to improve for my other interviews. Ask them. People are, I mean, not there to insult you. They will help you out. They will tell you frankly. If you ask them in a proper way, they are going to tell you, right? So the more you practice, the more you study, the more prepared you are, the less anxious you will be, Mohit. Okay. Today there is no React.js session, Yogesh. Okay. Kushagra is asking things to focus on for better placement over course of a year. First of all, be technically very, very sound. Okay. You should be able to answer questions in your technical round. You should be able to demonstrate your skills, apply your skills in the technical round first of all. Okay, they don't just want people who can speak good English. Okay, you have to be technically sound also if you are applying for a particular job, right? So only English is not important, but only being technical sound is also not important. Both have to be in a good combination, right? Your communication skills plus your technical skills, your hard skills and your soft skills, both. They make a good combination, they make a good package, they make a good human resource, right? Be technically very wise. If you have 1 year, please prepare. Okay, please prepare well for whatever profile you are applying for, whichever branch you have chosen. Okay, prepare well. Don't just cram, don't just learn to answer questions. Okay, learn how to apply that, learn how to demonstrate your skills. They should be able to know what you can do. They should not be able to, they're not there to know what how much you can learn and cram. Okay, and how much you can recite by heart. They are not there to see that. They are there to see how well you perform, how well you do. So first of all, prepare that, be technically very, very sound with that. One thing, it will increase your confidence automatically. Simultaneously, when you are preparing for technical, start working on your communication skills also, start working on developing your personality also. Okay, at the same time, 1 year is more than enough time to prepare for placements. All the best. Okay, all the best, enough time it will. Okay, and please refer, go back whatever I have told on how to improve communication skills. Please refer to that also. Okay, and work it out. All the best, enough time you have. uh, how can we practice AWS as a freelancer? Okay, again, not the best person to do that. I can only talk about how you can, work as a freelancer. There are websites available. You can register yourself there as a freelancer, that you want to work as a freelancer. You put in whatever you want to charge per hour, per week, per assignment, whatever, and please go through that. Do a simple Google search for registering as a freelancer, and please go ahead. Make a good LinkedIn profile, make a good network. Okay, start connecting with people so that you start getting assignments to complete as a freelancer. All right. You want preparation for manager level React. Okay. Now I am a senior web designer. So how much improvement to do for a better career? So first of all, Logit Bishnoi, it's an interesting question. So what I want to tell you is whichever profile you want to apply for. Okay. You said managerial level in React. Now, first research. Okay. First research, search for jobs. Okay, search for jobs for managerial level in React. Okay, go through the job descriptions that are given in the vacancy links. Okay, go through the job descriptions that are given. They will have whatever is, what is the person required to do. There will be a whole paragraph and some points about it. Then there will be prerequisites or things required or skills required in the person. Go through those skills also. That is your main focus area. Okay, compare at least 10 vacancies. You should compare. There will be common stuff in all of those 10 vacancies, in all of those 10 job descriptions. Write it down, make that your focus, develop those skills, and you're good to go. Then you can start applying. Right, first develop those skills and then start applying. Okay. uh Yogesh, I have answered hundreds of times, I guess. I've already told don't spam, so I will just ignore your question from now on, I guess. Akash is asking when will the assignment 2 be posted. If it's not being posted, please check your community. Okay, it might be posted there. If not, then just, I mean, they will post. If they have to post, they will post sometime. If not, then you're happy, no assignment. Okay, so I can answer that. What are the companies that we will be eligible after go getting certificate, Lalit? So whatever company is hiring, we have a valid certificate. So there's not a list of companies that I can say will recognize, because there are no companies who have said we don't recognize your certificate. Okay, so as much as you apply, the more number of applications you have, the probability of getting hired is more, getting placed is more. Okay, so if you target of a few companies, you work hard for them, you can do that as well. Okay, if not, just increase the number of applications, you might get placed somewhere, right? So I mean, don't have anything more to say on your question. Yes, Akash. See, Hemant is saying that it was already given. Thanks, Hemant, for helping out with the answer. Aditya is asking, ma'am, how do we prepare for technical interview? So, yes, so you first need to know your profile very well. Okay. You again go through the job description, go through the prerequisites, go through the requirements. There is a list of skills mentioned, there is a list of things that the person should be able to do. It's posted like that. Go through that, take out, concentrate on those skills. Okay. Go through 10-15 vacancies. Go through all of those common skills that they have told, improve yourself in that. Okay, improve yourself in that, study for those specific topics, also focus more on those specific topics, work on DSA. Okay, work on system design, DSA especially. Okay, and you're good to go. Now, transferring from non-IT to IT. Okay, so how to answer that question, ma'am? Wonderful, Ravi. Amazing question. So finally, something related to interview has come up. I'm very happy. So yes. So when they ask you why are you switching from non-IT to IT background, so it's pretty easy. Be honest. Why are you shifting? You found this very lucrative, you found an interest in this. Okay, whatever is your answer, be honest about why you are switching your career. Okay, you see that you first tried your hand at it, you attended some courses, you watched some videos, and you found that this was interesting, so you wanted to do something more challenging. Okay, the non-IT job that you were doing, that did not challenge you intellectually, so that did not challenge your brain enough, so you wanted to do something that challenges you every day, that interests you every day, so that's why you have shifted to IT. Okay, whatever is true among all of this. All right. uh, how can you make your resume the best, Nikita? Okay, resume, best resume has only a few specific requirements. Okay, it need not be decorated. A simple black and white resume is also the best. Okay, in my opinion, it is the best. A simple black and white, it should be neat and clean. Okay, that's all matters. Your name, your contact details. In your contact details, it should have your working email ID, working telephone number, your LinkedIn profile link, and your GitHub profile link. Okay, all of this needs to be there. Then what you must have is your projects, your assignment, over the projects that you have done, your work experience, your internships that you have done. Okay, any other certifications that you have done, and your education. That's all. There's no need to put hobbies, there's no need to put what all languages you can speak. Okay, your skills, your projects should be the main focus. That should come first, then your education and your work experience. All right, so that is how a good resume, well, that's what a good resume should have. Maximum 1 or 2 pages. If you can finish it in one, more than enough. If not, 2 pages, all right. If you have 10, 15, 18 years of experience, then of course the number of pages will increase, but right now one page should be more than enough for you all. Uh, Devashish has just said Android and iOS development. That's all. Web development 0 to hero. Yash, if you have filled out all of the attendance and all, I've already told you about how you are going to be eligible, right? At the start of this lecture, please rewind and you can watch. Okay, how to get certificates and how to be eligible for certificates. Ansh, what about React.js second lecture? I don't know. Khushi, we have assignments? No. There's no assignment today, Khushi. Shishir is saying I'm making a portfolio. What all and should I mention? And it'd be great to know from you. Shishir, again the same question. I need to know which profile. Jarodhia, whatever you are asking me about my personal life has no relevance here. So I'm choosing to ignore this. It would be great if you can delete your comment, please. If you're here to learn, if you're here to study, to enhance your skills, then please be here. Otherwise, you need not be here. Okay? Thank you. Can't be more polite than this. It will show an option. Please check for web development if it is showing an option or not. Isha, it'll show as career session. Don't worry, Yash. I'm sure it'll be there. Mudit, there are so many. I mean, we ourselves are a company which provide training, after this basic training. So I am coming to that very soon. So please be here. I will brief you about what kind of advanced trainings we do. Okay, after this basic trainings. All right. Please refresh the forms, guys, if you are facing problems with finding your programs in the form. Okay, Khushi, what to do with LU coins? You can redeem the LU coins for your PGP program. You can redeem them very soon. We will be able to redeem them for swags, for t-shirts, and other products that we are coming up with. So use them for that. This topic, Ehsan, is for your guidance for your placements on how to get good jobs. Okay. Vaibhav, I have already told you, please go to the beginning of the session and you will get to know about hard copy certificates. Yogesh, again, scope of web development, amazing scope, but not the correct person to ask me. Okay. Yes, Vinod, you get job assistance from this organization as you have done this training. Very soon we are coming up with our own placement portal. So first we did not provide this. We already provided this for our postgraduate program students and not for essential students. But from now on, we are also going to start, placement assistance for our basic students also. Okay. So very soon we are building our own platform. So you will receive an email once it is up and running. We will ask you for your details. So once you've registered with us, your email ID is there in our database. So we will contact you, okay, to ask for your details, to ask for your updated resume and everything. Submit it with us, and we will try our best to provide placements to you. All right. So yes, it will be available, guys. Just hold on, okay. Please check what is wrong with the attendance part. Isha, please check what is wrong with the attendance. Why are so many people asking for, the programs are missing from the attendance form. Afan, please search. There are hundreds of places available to search for jobs, guys. Ansh, go to your community group. You will find your assignment there. So Balumurugan, whatever essentials program you have done, please select that and then select career session. Okay. Yes, Nagarapu Naveen, I am coming to that part. Okay, just hold on. I'm coming to what is the extension for all of this. Basics of Python for data science. I'll come to that. Okay. Lalit, I've not decided for a name yet. So okay. It'll be Let's Upgrade, something related to Let's Upgrade only. So wait for that. Let us work on it first. Name can be decided later. Mudit, I'm coming to that. We ourselves provide training after this basic training, so I'm coming to that. Yes, Yogesh, I am planning to take a session on building a LinkedIn profile very soon. Thank you for the suggestion. I myself have a plan of taking, a session on building a good LinkedIn profile, on networking on LinkedIn, building a good network on LinkedIn. So we will do that very soon. Okay. 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 I was not able to join today's AWS class. There was no live stream going on when I checked. So this is the last lecture. Okay, Abhinav, don't worry. Uh, Fill attendance for today. Yes, the BST, character, behavior, and attitude is the most important while communicating. Of course, they are important. Okay. So she is asking, I'm an EC student looking for jobs in data science. Should I mention in my portfolio for this profile? Yes. So, what languages you can do? Okay. If you're good with Python, whatever projects that you have done, first of all, that should be mentioned in your portfolio. I've told you others, now just go back and see of whatever I've said about a good resume, a basic resume. Apart from that, please focus on your the projects that you have done. Okay, give links to your projects there. Make it a really a good profile, concentrating on the projects that you have done. They need to know what you can build. Okay, your skill, your technical skills, and your project should be in focus in your portfolio. Okay. Sunny, I'm really not the correct person to answer this. Again, I'll tell you, I'm not a technical person, so I won't misguide you. Okay, I won't misguide you uh, by saying anything that I want to do. Okay. Afan, please make a good resume, okay? And any projects that you've done, any assignment, good assignments that you have completed, please post links to that in your profile. And please start applying at least, okay? Please start applying for jobs, build a good LinkedIn network. You should get some exposure very soon, okay? Yogesh, it's totally up to you if you want to take the GATE exam. It depends on what your next goal is, okay? So Shivam, if you have not got the certificate for completion of assignment, then there must be something wrong with your assignment. Okay. If you still feel that you should have gotten that, please email on the support at the rate letsupgrade.in ID and we will have it checked. Okay. Uh, okay. Already done with internship in machine learning. What should be my next step since I'm a fresh graduate? Please apply on, apply more and more. Okay, if you want to do more internships, please apply. If you want to get into a good, say a full-time job, please do that. If you want to have any more advanced training in machine learning, please wait. I'm going to tell you about it. Okay. Abhinav, yes, good question. What if communication skills are average and technical skills are excellent? First of all, average and poor is nothing. Okay, you should be able to very well express whatever is there in your mind. Okay, and express what you can do for that company. Even if you are able to, confidently speak, even if there are a few errors, they are ignored because if your technical skills are excellent, then Other things, little mistakes can be ignored. Okay, so they want a good person who can do their work, but also speak to their clients. So that is also important, right? So average communication skills, by average, if you mean that you are able to speak to the client, speak to the person, you are able to express what you can do, you are able to demonstrate your skills, you are able to apply your skills in front of them, answer them confidently, have a good body language, answer them confidently, not be nervous. Okay, because your communication skills are average, then should not be a problem. You're good to go. All the best. But try and improve your communication skills also if you feel that they are average. Okay, don't just leave it at that. How to handle a situation if we get stuck at some point during the interview, Meenal? So first of all, be honest. Don't lie. The more you lie, the more you will, fall into a pit that you have dug for yourself. Okay, so don't do that. Okay, so if there is a problem, if there's a problem, uh, see the vibe of the room. Okay, honestly tell them, I'm sorry sir, but I really cannot speak any more on this. I'm really blank right now. I'm not able to remember. It's okay. It's totally all right. Be honest, don't lie. All right. Will it going to be work for us, and how can we improve our vocabulary ASAP if you can suggest? See, vocabulary cannot be improved ASAP. Okay, it takes time. It takes amazing, immense amount of practice. It is a process that, I mean, is developed over time. It's a skill that is developed over time. So vocabulary cannot be done ASAP. Okay, start reading right now. Start reading new words. Start reading articles with new words right now. Okay, if you want to develop ASAP. Abhinav. Jay, I have already explained this at the start of the session. Go back and listen to that. Ankur, yes, you can come in the tech field if you are from, if you are a BCom student. Of course, anybody can come in the tech field. A doctor can also come in the tech field. Not a problem. Shivam, if you have got the eligibility, the email, then you will receive a certificate pretty soon. It takes about 20 to 30 days. Okay, Yash, I would really like to not spread negativity here. We will try to solve your whatever your problem is. Okay, just hold on. All right. Again, Vaibhav, the hard copy takes 20 to 30 days. So just wait for the convocation to happen first. All right. Yes. Full stack Java or data science, yes, totally on your interest base. Okay, I cannot say uh, which one you should go for, because nothing is my favorite. Whatever you have an interest in, you must go for that. No, nobody should force you. It should not be a forced decision for you, because if you don't have an interest and you go for, if you, for example, if you don't have an interest in data science and you go for data science, then you will obviously not feel like doing it after some point of time. So do whichever you want to, really want to do. Okay, your choice. It should be your choice. Why we shouldn't hire you is not a question, Kushagra. I think you want to ask why we should hire you. So you have to then again relate your skills with the skills that they have asked in the job description. How you can fulfill their requirement should be your answer. You cannot say that you are perfect. You cannot, everybody has some flaws. There are hundreds of people who have studied the same thing that you have done. Okay, but you have to explain them in such a way that how you can fulfill their requirement. So their requirement, where will you find? That will be found in the job description, in the vacancy link, wherever that is. Go there again. Their requirements and your skills have to match with each other. Okay. Okay. The most common, tell me about yourself. Just hold on, guys, for a minute. Okay. Where do you see most common? Tell me about yourself. Yes. So it should start with your name. Okay. Where you're coming from. What do you currently do? Okay. And then what you have studied. Okay. And why do you want to come here? Why did you think that it was good to apply here? Okay. Your hobbies and everything that should come. That's okay. That's the most common. Tell me about yourself. Okay. So, where do you see yourself in 5 years? That's a short term goal. So, amazing. Use that in a way. First of all, tell you what your professional goals are. Then come to if you have any academic goals, you want to take more training and all, then that should come. And lastly, your personal goals should come. So, you can say that I want to be able to lead a team of so many people. I want to be in the managerial position and is a lower management or whatever. So, make it related to a position or make it related to a responsibility or a particular another skill that you want to have. Okay, so don't say that I want to work for 2 years and then I want to do an MBA. Don't say that. Okay, it should be related to that profile and that company only. Otherwise they'll say go study MBA now only, don't come to our company. Okay, don't make that mistake. All right. Vinod, you can, if you don't have, then you any other experience, you can of course mention your non-technical experience. If it is significant, you can definitely mention it. No problem in mentioning a non-technical experience. Okay. Uh, Career gap problem shouldn't be a problem, but you should be able to answer that question. So why was there a gap? You should be able to give a proper answer. Why was there a gap? Be honest with it. Okay, don't lie. Don't that it creates a web and you get stuck in that web. Okay. Hi Bhavna, hello, good evening. Okay, so okay. A BCA graduate Uttam saying if you are planning GP, then to prepare for MCA. If you what? Okay, Python related job opportunities very soon. You will get to know. Okay. Now, before we end, okay, I want to tell you about our PGP programs. Okay. So we have postgraduate full stack programs that Let's Upgrade has come up with. Okay, they are 6 months long, and we have 4 programs in that. One is Python and Django. The other one is web development. The third one is AIML and deep learning. And the fourth one is data science. Now, all of these programs, they are 100% live. They are of a postgraduate level. So anybody can do it. Even if you have not completed your graduation, you can do it. I have a student who's there in 10th standard right now, still doing that course. So we provide amazing placement assistance. I am the head of placement, so I am responsible for that. Okay, we provide one-on-one mentorship also. We make you participate in hackathons, and there are 15 plus projects that you do, and at the end of the program you do a real-time project that we source from the industry. So we go to companies, we ask them for a real life problem that they have. Okay, and that problem you have to solve. That problem becomes your project. So you do a real life project also, and for a very very low cost, that is 26,900. So if you go out, you search for such programs, it is 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs, and for the same course we do it for 26,900 or something. It's below 30,000. If you fill these forms right now that Isha is sending you, our team will contact you. Okay, our team is going to contact you, and you can ask them if you are eligible for discounts, group discounts. If you get your friends, you will be eligible for group discounts also. So do that. Okay. They are amazing courses. You will find that we have limited people in one batch. So there are weekly doubt clearing sessions are also there. Our sessions are live anyway, so you can ask doubts in the live session also, but we have special doubt sessions on the weekends as well. Okay. So for those of you who are working professionals, watching the recording is also available. So please go through all of these links, fill out that form, let our team contact you. Yes, Shishir, one person is in the 10th standard. I'm not joking. I'm being very honest here. Okay. Uh, all right. So that's all. Please fill out again. See you in the PGP programs, I hope. So thank you so much. And again, bye bye. All the best, all of you. Do well and, stay healthy. Bye.